Welcome, everybody, to Omnisend's Marketing Tip Series, where in roughly 3 minutes or less each day, I'll give you actionable tips and ways to improve your email and SMS marketing programs and help you increase your sales. Now, yesterday I talked about when to send the banner card emails. Today, let's talk about re-engaging customers via the right channels. Now, one reason email is an extremely effective tool is because it's an opt-in channel, but so too are SMS and web push messages. Brands who are collecting these permissions should absolutely be using them in their abandoned cart automations. Now, last year, SMS saw a nearly 260% lift in automated messages sent compared to the year before, while automated push messages increased 700%. Brands are recognizing the value of these opt-in channels. If you're collecting these permissions, you should be using them to re-engage abandoned cart shoppers. Here are some things you may want to consider. Let's start with SMS. Most text messages are read within 3 minutes. This means that it's a timely channel to communicate with customers on. The first abandoned cart message sending via email may want to also send an SMS at the same time, and this will give consumers the choice of how they want to interact. You may not need to send an SMS with every email. I would suggest starting by using them as bookends, one at the start and one at the end of the series, especially if you offer a discount. This last text message can serve as a great reminder and nudge toward the cart. Now, this strategy may change based on other personalization variables that I'll talk about next week, but to get you started in capturing baselines, this is where I'd start. While it seems like common sense, I'm going to say it, make sure the message is linked to the cart and allow for easy checkout. You'd be surprised. Now, I'm not going to spend a lot of time talking about push messages today, only because it's still a maturing channel, but if you heard me mention it earlier, it's seeing a massive growth in performance. So like SMS, it's more of an instantaneous marketing channel. But if you're collecting push message opt-ins, I would absolutely use them in your abandoned cart messaging. So there it is. Be sure to use opt-in channels in the same workflows and create a truly engaging series that recaptures those pesky abandoned carts. Send a text message with message 1 and 3, and if you use push, send it around the second message. Watch your metrics and adjust accordingly. Like always, thanks for tuning into this episode of our Marketing Tips series, and feel free to let me know if you have any questions, and be sure to check out Omnisend and let us prove to you how we can double your conversions. Until next time, happy marketing.